Welcome! I'm Lucy, and this is Lucy Daily English. Let's start our journey. Wow! Wow, this place is expensive.
What's up, fans? We are live at the Golden Fork.
Huh? I'm still hungry.
Not refined enough for your simple palates?
Some people just don't have the palate for art, do they?
Mom, please tell me we're gonna eat for real soon.
Enough of this performance, Jax.
You've forgotten that food is about soul, not just views. You've forgotten that food is about soul, not just views. Show him what a real meal tastes like. The kitchen is yours. Show him what a real meal tastes like. The kitchen is yours.
Did you hear that, fans? A home cook in my kitchen. Pure comedy.
For my kids. For the truth.
I'll do it. But on my terms.
Excellent. Jax, I hope you're as good as your followers think.
Let's start from the beginning.
It smells like home, Mom. That's your secret weapon.
Feel the rhythm of the knife. This is where the magic happens in the kitchen.
Mom, this is the one. This is better than the restaurant.
Ready.
Ready.
Let's show them what real food looks like.
Is that her?
She's back.
Wait, stop rolling! Is that her? Why is she here?
I'm ready when you are, Jax.
One hour. 2 dishes. Let the truth be served.
This is a disaster. I need more time on the lamb, and where is the sauce? Hurry up with table 3 right now.
You did it, Mom! You really did it!
Congratulations. Welcome to the family.
Thank you so much. This means everything to me.
Now, let's show them how it's really done.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.